Hey guys, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax in Pompano Beach. Give you a walkthrough tour on this fresh trade-in. It's a 2016 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. Let's go ahead and step aboard. I can show you what options this boat has. All right, we're aboard the 2016 170 Montauk by Boston Whaler. Super clean boat. All the cushions and upholstery are in amazing shape and condition. No rips, no stains or tears. This one is also equipped with the full transom bench seat. Comfortably get 3 adults back there. Reversible helm pilot seat. Your gauges here. It does have a cover for both the console and the seat. It's got the fishing package with tackle storage, cooler seat that comes out and removes, and then also they upgraded it with the bow cushion. We do have the full bow rail, rod holders everywhere. Again, the boat shows like brand new. It's Justin Costello with MarineMax Pompano Beach. 2016 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk, dealer owned trade. Customer had brought it in and traded up to a bigger Montauk. This is a great opportunity. Give us a call, 954-633-2070. The boat is super clean. Great opportunity for someone to pick up a lightly pre-owned 2016 170 Montauk.